Hello everyone, it is Erin Fletto here, and I am here filming next week's setup. I am very much in the if it's not broke, don't fix it phase of my planner, where I have truly found something that is working for me for now, and I always caveat for now because life changes a lot. So, but this system has really been working. So I just thought I would set up my week with you all. So I am using these black accent papers. This is from, I think I had some extra pieces from my B5 notebook when I would do Dutch doors in there. So I cut out some of and tore out some of these pieces. The one in the bottom right, I didn't care if the dots lined up, but the one in the top left, I really wanted to make sure that the dots lined up, because that was also going to have part of my task list in it. And I didn't think that I would have part of my task list be down in the bottom right. So I am matching up the dots, and then any of the extra space I am just using my Tombow Fude to color in the black. It's close enough for a match for me, so that's just what I went with. So in the top left, I am doing my rolling task list. Again, this is something that I have found has been really helpful for me. So the tasks that I put here are the tasks that happen reoccurring, or they're more likely to happen, as well as some of the events that are going on through the week. So I just have my tasks set out to the right, and then every day that the task happens, I put in a little dot. In addition to the rolling task list, I have tasks that happen. Maybe they're more one-off tasks, or they're specific to that particular day. So I have space for each of the days as well. So I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then I have one giant space for the weekend. So that will be Friday through Sunday, just because honestly, especially this coming weekend, it's going to be very hectic. My boyfriend's aunt's funeral is on Thursday, and then we're spending some time with the family that weekend. So there's not going to be a lot of tasks getting done. So I'm totally fine consolidating it all down into one weekend. So I think most of you have been around for the last couple months, where I love doing these little like accents to take up some of the negative space. So I do these little dots, and for this particular theme, I am also doing like a little water droplet to remind me to drink water, and because of sweating, because of workouts. So I truly love doing these little patterns all over the place. It is so fun. It really breaks up all of the white space and just adds a little pizzazz to each of the spreads. So I am using my work calendar and my personal calendar to put in the events that are happening this week. Typically my events are just all work stuff. There's so many things, that we are meeting about. It is the end of it's the last quarter of the fiscal year, and the end of the fiscal year is September 30th. So I swear we are meeting on so many different things to try to finish out this year and then prep for next year. It's a very stressful time of the year. I cannot wait to have a vacation. I am extremely tired, so hopefully that can happen at some point soon. So here are the, and you can see me referring back to my old, like last week's rolling task list for all of the items that I do reoccurring. So for work, inbox 0 is where I try to at least read and categorize all of my emails that come in on a daily basis. I get a lot of emails because I coordinate a lot of different things. So I get, and a lot of times I'm like CC'd and I don't have action items on that particular thing, but there's still emails that I need to know what's going on for. I also have stuff related to my inspections. I have my business tasks, which you can see in the second category, and then my home tasks in the third section down there. Well, technically the fourth section. So you can see I have each space set out for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then the weekend, like I said. I just have a big long list for that weekend. If there is a very specific event, I will write Friday dash blah, blah, blah. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.